This Realty ONE Group Select property video is presented by Bonneau. Amazing updated home with new tile, engineered wood flooring, granite, tile backsplash, stainless appliances, undermount sinks, extensive crown molding, picture frame molding, upgraded baseboards and lighting. Floor plan is great for entertaining west/kitchen open to the living room and oversized patio. Kitchen features lots of cabinet and counter space. Primary bedroom is spacious and has 2 walk-in closets, tray ceiling, crown molding. Air conditioner replaced 7/2022, new hot water heater 6/2020, new roof 8/2022, new garage door and opener 7/2021. Refrigerator and hot tub not included. For more information, review the details below.